Software Spring. Presents. How to use REGEXMATCH to match part numbers in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on using the REGEXMATCH function to match part numbers against a regular expression. Before we continue, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Many thanks for your support. Alright, for an intro to REGEXMATCH, please refer to the tutorial, How to use REGEXMATCH in Google Sheets, whose link is given in the description. Okay, here is a quick intro to the REGEXMATCH function. REGEXMATCH checks if the specified text, part number in this case, matches a regular expression. REGEXMATCH returns true for a match, false if there is no match. What is the syntax of the REGEXMATCH function formula? The syntax is: let's look at an example. Cell A3 is the text to match with a regular expression. This is the regular expression. Moving forward, let's match these part numbers with a regular expression. A REGEXMATCH function formula to match the part numbers is: Cell A3 has the part number. The first double quote complies with the formula's syntax. Caret symbol signifies the beginning of the string. /d represents digits. The 3 in the flower bracket tells that the number of digits should be 3. Hyphen should follow the 3 digits. This is a character class of alphabet. The 3 in the flower bracket tells that the number of lowercase or uppercase letters should be 3. Hyphen should follow the 3 digits. This is a character class of alphabets and digits. The 4 in the flower bracket tells that the number of letters and/or digits should be 4. Dollar symbol signifies the end of the string. Alright, we are all set to type the formula. There you go. REGEXMATCH has returned true for matching text and false for non-matching text. Summary: REGEXMATCH is a powerful function to match text with a regular expression. The REGEXMATCH function formula is: That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.